Hi guys, welcome back, and I am at the gym again. As you guys know from title, there's another words. Another rollerblading episode. Let's get into it. So I did find somewhere else to go. I'm not going to be going because I would normally, which is where I was last time. But I'm there. I actually found here. It's like it's a hallway basically, and I don't think they would run me from using here, so I'm going to be using here. And it's just like flat, so I have like literally all of this place right here for myself. And also, my friend is going to be coming here to skate with me, but she roller skates. I rollerblade. There's a difference. Someone asked me this before. I'll put a picture of what skating is and what blading is. It's two different things. So she'll be skating, I'll be blading, and we'll just be having fun. Or I'll be trying not to fall more than I did the first time, which was about like what 5 or 6 times. We'll see. We'll see. And yeah, the lighting is so horrible because lights are literally coming from everywhere. It's like, can we see? Yeah. I think I heard somebody inside. Anyway, let's go. You can do it, Sarah. Huh? Soraya is making me seem like an expert, really and truly. She's making me seem like an Soraya!
Okay, we gotta go over this one. This is gonna do. I need to put it on whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, I ready for you.
Woo! You're doing great. Love that. Thank God for walls. You know. Oh my God, she's making me seem like amazing. Sarah's going to give me a laugh. Yeah. Uh-huh. You're doing great, Soraya. Mm-hmm.
How many times did you fall before it came? Are you there for you all? like strip it, and then you are rolling that slow.
Okay, so Soraya and I took like a water break. I took a bit of a pee break, and I'm going to get right back to it and that, or just chat for the rest of the time. So yeah, it's going actually really well. Like, it's very fun, and I'm sure you guys have been seeing the footage. I have been enjoying myself definitely because I have not been falling this time. So we're closer to the pro level, but I'm not going to toot my horn too much because I am yet to go on like a skating rink. Is that what it's called? I'm not sure. Or ramp, I'm not sure what it's called. I've been on flat surface. I do well on flat surfaces. So maybe for the next episode we can go on like an actual like ramp or go to an actual skating place, and we'll see what happens then.